Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Lawrence, Kansas on our apartment complex job. This here is a 19 King Piers project. We solved these holes yesterday, some of them. We've got 13 of them solved, and some of them, as we shoot this video and show you in here what we've got done. We've got 13 of them totally solved. And we're going to have to come in here with a jackhammer and jackhammer the rest of them out. Get down to the subgrade. These footings are huge underneath this. So when they built this, they basically overkilled it compared to what most apartment buildings we see their footings are like. But these walls are leaning in just slightly, a couple inches, in a 10-foot tall wall. And they decide, we give them a bid to straighten the wall, but they don't want to straighten it, so we're just going to pier it and come in here with some 6-inch H-beams and put along here on the face of this. And these beams, all the piers on the interior part of this project, we won't have to saw cut the floor to put our beam in. Our piers are about 6 foot apart, so we will put these 6-inch H-beams right here on our regular hole footing. Will be right there, and then when we concrete it in, we'll lock it in, King Piers style. 6x6 treated wood, bolted from the sides, sistered on 3 foot, both sides, sistered on, bolted, another 6x6 treated, bolted at the end. It's the very best in wall bracing. You can't get any better in the way we do it. So, very happy with what we've got. We've got 2 men out here today, and they are really doing a good job. So, I've got a father and son working together. So let's walk on through here and see. We're going to leave this hole right here by these meters. We're going to leave that open because people are still coming in here and washing their clothes. We don't want to have a big hole for somebody to walk in, although we would cover it with wood. Because we didn't know how big these footings are, they come clear out to here. Right here's the end of the footing. Now these footings are 8 inches deep, but they're very wide. On the outside of the wall, they're about 3 foot further out. So actually the footing was poured and the wall is not exactly in the center of the footing the way I would design it. Got a hole right here. This hole right here is, we're getting down, or digging down, but this footing's only 8 inches. Excuse me. So, very wide footings, but pretty thin for the size of this, which is probably why the wall's not centered in the middle of that footing, because on the outside, we got piers going on the outside. There's more footing exposed, so the wall's not centered in the middle of the footing the way I would design it. So, stay tuned as we keep progressing here. King Piers, Lawrence, Kansas. For all your foundation piering needs, if your building's sinking, your house is sinking, we are absolutely, bar none, the best there is at raising and keeping your house level. Guaranteed every time. 816-288-4373. Go to our Facebook page, YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. And that's it. Stay tuned. Thank you.